bakhona abantu abachita noma ku-happy endlini.
Bakhona
Noma ku-right
River,
endlini. Amazing woman who does every little thing that you'll dream of in a woman.
Akuthengele ne-underpant.
Akutshele kahle ukuthi I've seen this car is nice for you baby. I'm buying this one for you.
Sure.
Mara i-out yakhona izawuchita baba.
Inkinga asebhekeni la. Lo you're right.
Yeah.
Mara sikhulume ngama different kinds of cheating and
Yeah.
what. You can be happy, they can do everything for you, but sexually,
Yeah.
uthokuthi hayi akulungi.
So in other words, you are trying to say ukuthi one of the reasons why cheater as a cheater sexually we are not happy.
We are not
Actually,
happy, bro.
that's
We are
like
not happy.
90% of the time that we cheat is because of the sex.
Yes, I'll tell you why. I once met an old man. Ngiphume Pitori Puram.
Sure.
Anye ngisikhohle le story. Old man ngiphume Pitori ebusuku ngifuna ngihike ngibeli quantum kamadala uyangibuza nyaphi ngithi amadala ngiye-Alex athi hayi une-like mina ngiye-Jozi
So uzodlula ngayo
ngithi madala Jozi ngalesikhathi lesi athi hayi mfana mina e-Summit bengingayazi Summit
Hey, Summit.
an old man
Yeah.
ngithi Summit madala athi hayi ngiyoreliva
You relieve imizwa
imizwa yami
Eish.
ngoba endlini umama seka over age angisakhona ukuricha eDurban
Oh,
uphelela la e-local la mawuphuma nge-gate ophelela
Oh.
you understand mara le bayakhona ukukufikisa eDurban
Bakufikise
bakudlulise
eDurban.
futhi usozithola sose-Cape Town
Hi when.
you understand so hence I'm saying most of the time cheating it's all about we can say financial and not what but most of the time it's i-happiness endlini
Endlini ayikho.
ayikho singakenzela zonke izinto jaro mara hayi
Yeah.
as long as ungangifikisa
You know,
Ngiyadispute mina kancane. Yazi why ngidispute ne? eDurban endlini bayangifikisa. I understand baze bangidlulise baze bayenthini hamba uthenga asambe sothenga izinto zokudlala.
Sure.
I understand. But mina ngiso ngiyakhala vie.
Ufuna ukubona la
Ufikise eDurban.
Baloko bangifikise eDurban. You understand? As much as sisho ukuthi uhappy endlini uyafika eDurban udlulele but still but iswa ngithi baze bakubuza ukuthi enhle ubahlanga
Grand.
ubahlanga because ngithongole ngweding umuntu koloyi ditengi resharp
ubahlanga
and now uhluleke nokuphendula because that is why mina ngicina sengisho ngithi ayazini lesi sifo esinye dangerous this one ngithi sihamba negazi
amana sahlula bomkhulu
I understand lento lengikhuluma ngayo and ungathola ukuthi the way asho ngakhona ukuthi umadala yena akafika eDurban uthola ukuthi kanti umadala yena akafikisa umama eDurban ubona ngathi
uma crazy
umama ngapha endlini
Seka over age.
kanti hayi abo stoki laba ama 2K lawa ama Ben 10 lawa afikisa umawuleli le
Mfethu maolele zamanye kakhulu akhiphe nenyuku yakhe.
akhiphe nenyuka ambhayile nekara umadala yena uye Summit uyayibamba lento
Sure.
esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi kahle sometimes asineli masabantu kahle
No, let's just say ukuthi manje one of the reasons why thina cheater as a cheater is because asineli.
yeah asineli but that's why mina manje ngiprotect that's why ngidlenti segazini
vele amadoda asineli
no bafithi segazini
Sinoji endlini still.
angali but that's why kaningi abomkhulu would rather uthole bathi umkhulu nomntwana khona la and
Bayifihlile indaba yakhona but awabona amehlo nendlebe.
uyayibamba but sinini sebagcina wazini abanye ababrave basithatha isiteam ngaba ukuthi I rather ngidonsa umama besi2 ngidonsa umama besi3 it's very stressful to deal with women I understand but again mawungathola ibhubezi phakathi lento ejungle uthola nabafazi abayi4 5 I understand inkunzi i1 lapha ya yayibona